Some I want to ask you are related education.
Okay, you ask me.
Okay. Uh, how can we improve speaking English few days or long time?
What did you say? Sorry, brother. One times can you speak?
Okay, so I said, how can we improve our speaking English little time or long time?
For long time.
Yes,
So only one thing you have to practice every day and without missing, without any regretting day by day, not one two word vocabulary and day by day use because we know after the born we after the 5 years we speaking any language, mother tongue language. Before the 5 years, we can't speak any language fluently. Just put up broken language we are speaking. That's the same method. If you want to learn any language, not a English, same method. We have to speak little sentence, little word. Then after to we jump higher sentence, long sentence, and long
right.
time. Yeah.
That's great. So I want to ask you second question. I can understand like me and other people's many people's English listening understand, but they can't speak English, and they feel hesitation. Like me, I can't speak English fluency, and I don't reply.
The question is that, sir, how to speak? Like I understand everything. Other people also understand everything. But whenever the
Yes,
comes
yes,
to and comes to speak the in anything, that time we are feeling hesitate, and my mind is totally blank. Why? Do you know? Only one reason because we are not habitual this word.
yes,
We
yes,
are not habitual this word because do you know your mother tongue language you are practiced many times then you speak fluently and easily, but if I talk about English, you are not mother tongue language. That's why
yes,
we are that when we are coming to a stage and speak anything, that time my mind is blank and feelings hesitant, that time afraid, that time only
yes,
reason
yes,
these
yes.
things. First, what we have to do, one sentence, take one verb, okay, and practice 12 sentences in 10 times. One verb. If you consider
Yes, yes.
one verb, practice 12 tenses, 12 structure is there, positive. And also you have to practice negative sentence, 12, 24. And also ask the questions some other people 20 sentence 12 sentence like this, then 36 sentence what how many sentence you made? 36
Yes,
sentence. This is method to speak your fluency and develop our hesitation also.
yes,
If you want
right.
to speak any people in front of the only one you can do one things, you have to speak one word one sentence 10 times 20 times
Yes,
when
yes.
and
Uh, I
unless
I
when you
uh, I do it also. I also do it like this, but I don't. Uh, Whenever I can't speak, I do it single sentence. I speak and little by little I speak, but sometimes I speaking English app use, but I have not opportunity to speaking English, and my city is small. In my city, many people don't know English speaking. This reasons my English is weak, and I am watching and I am listening. Your English is very well, very good, but my English is little bad, right?
so what do you do? You just don't listen. After that, the whatever I'm the speaking the sentence, you should also repeat that sentence. then you speak
yes,
fluently, then you speak easily. If you only listen the sentence, you can only understand the sentence, you cannot understand the whatever we are speaking. But we have what the big problem, we can't speak the we can't is what the method we have to speak. We whatever not me, other people also speaking, whatever the sentence is speaking there, you have to what do repeat that sentence, same sentence. Let's look that. Example, I'm asking to you, how are you?
I
Then
am
you
fine.
also ask, I am fine. Then you also you ask yourself, how are you? I am fine. How are you? I am fine. What do you do? Some you thought some people in front of the there. And
Yes, yes,
image. If there is some people. I'm in the classroom. There is lots of people sitting there. I'm talking with my friends like this. Don't feel I don't have friends. I can't speak anything.
yes, yes. Which limit we know grammar rules?
You don't know, yeah, you know grammar, all rules.
I know, but I little know grammar, like tense, little passive, little other rules grammar, but I don't know all grammar rules.
Yeah, I am also same, but I am speaking with you. Only I'm listening, and after that I'm speaking.
Yes, yes,
That's what I'm doing. You should also watch my video, also other people also video. Then after that you should speak also. What
yes, yes,
what I'm the sentence is speaking. That sentence you same sentence you repeat. This is the
yes,
best
yes.
way to learn English. Yeah.
Yes, when we will speak English, automatically vocabulary and some words, difficult word will be collect and uh, remember in my in our minds, right? When we will speak English and we talk in English language, automatically remembers and come in our minds. This is English words, and that time you can speak this word that mean, right?
Yeah, yeah. So only
Yes,
one thing you should do. You should repeat that sentence. I'm not saying you should do that reading anything, whatever. Lots of things you should do, grammar part, vocabulary part, these things. At that time you're totally confused if you do these things. Only one thing: you listen that ear, and that is that mouth you just have to speak. Only one thing. Easy
yes, yes,
sentence and easy speak easily. Okay, that's things best way to
yes.
learn everything. Not in English.
Okay. So, how much benefit computer course?
If you know in future is very much your future, you can go any company. There is mainly things asking, do you have any types of skills like computer skills? Do you know nowadays our uh, earth is our country, your country also very technical country. Everyone using
Yes,
technical word, technical things. Everything you are using phone. This is a technical. Everything, every company demand this computer skills. You should learn online. No need to go and pay more money. YouTube, all so many things available in YouTube. Learn, and after that you can enhance your skills and give online sub interview. If you don't know, you ask me how to give interview in online. So many things. If you have skills, you can crack any company, and you at your home sitting and on 1 lakh, 10 lakh like this money. If you have a skill, computer. This,
uh, so, how much benefit computer for education?
if I say if you are no computer, 100% benefit. If you know
Huh?
computer is,
Right.
yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
If you know English, then 200% you have skills. English
Yes.
computer, you can get job easily anywhere. Not a Pakistan, anywhere.
Yes. Yes. I
Yeah,
I think I think computer is best for education and online work, online business, many works. computer is best technical.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
So,
subscribe my YouTube channel or not?
oh, I watch your movies, YouTube channels. So, how long time you have YouTube channel?
I have been I have opened this channel 3 4 months ago. You should go and watch first day class my YouTube channel in video section last. Then you can learn so many sentences there. There I am that time that video I'm teaching alone. Not any I'm talking with another people. Look at this is my mouse. How do I
Yes,
say this? I have these things. So this is my this is, I have my mouse. If you have something, how do you say? I'm asking to you. Do you have pen? How do you say I have a pen? Like this. Say,
yes, yes.
how do you say? Say, sir, I have these things. I have these things. I have these things. You should watch my first class video. You should learn lots of things. Use the
Yes.
contents. Yeah, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Then automatically your
Okay.
everything video are coming in you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
I subscribed your channels and every your videos you will upload first come in my mobile. So how can inspire you other people's to talk to you?
I said if any person want to talk with me, I'm every time free to talk with him. And actually, my college is 9 to 5, 6 o'clock, 9 morning to 6 o'clock is my
Yes.
college. After the 6 o'clock, I am free. I will be free. But Sunday, I'm whole day free. Whatever all the people say, whatever the time they call, I'm free. But Monday to Saturday, I'm totally busy. I did some conversation, not so many conversation.
Okay. So where are you learned speaking English?
Just online, YouTube is there, and
Online,
practice
like
it
me.
myself.
Okay, like me,
Practice,
I am doing and I am learning from YouTube.
yeah.
Okay,
Like you, I'm also talking with you, and also talking with another people. And after that, this talking, I listen my conversation video where I'm doing mistakes. How do I up next video? I will change these things. Next
okay.
conversation, I will not do this mistake.
So you studied in government school or private?
Yeah, I'm studying government school,
Government
but is
school. In village, city,
Bangalore
Bangalore city or village?
city, not
City.
Bangalore.
Okay. My education in city, in village, primary my education in village, but matric in city.
That's really good. Not
Yes.
village, village.
Yes.
That pronunciation.
We
Village.
village.
Village. Yes.
Okay.
Village means
Correct.
the different
Village.
things.
Okay. Okay.
Village.
Okay. Okay. Village. Village is correct
You
pronunciation.
practice that sentence many times. Then after that, you speak easily. Because you are,
Okay.
I am not habitual this word. You are also not habitual this word.
Yes.
Now is
Yes.
what you should learn sentence and speak. Don't think
Okay.
I'm only listening. Also, you should practice. One video watch 2 times, 3 times. Then you automatically learn so many sentences.